In the heart of ancient India stood the legendary city of Indraprastha, capital of the mighty Kuru kingdom, as chronicled in the epic Mahabharata. Modern historians have traced its location to present-day New Delhi, particularly within the majestic walls of the old fort, known as Purana Kila. Purana Kila or Old Fort is believed to have been built by the Pandavas, the five brothers from the Hindu epic, the Mahabharata. The first person to link the site with this period was the late Padma Vibhushan winning archaeologist B.B. Lan. He excavated the Purana Kila grounds in 1954. Though there is no direct evidence yet, there has been a discovery of a particular grey pottery that could date back to 600 to 1200 BC. However, it was Sher Shah Suri who is known to be the builder of the fort's present form in the 16th century. Purana Kila underwent renovations during the Mughal era. Humayun, after regaining control of Delhi, made several additions to the fort, leaving his mark on its architectural landscape. The fort became a symbol of Mughal grandeur later. Experience the grandeur of Purana Kila, a testament to Delhi's rich history and architectural heritage. According to legend, the city rose from the Khandwa forest, cleared by the divine duo, Krishna and Arjuna, immortalized in the pages of the Mahabharata. Indraprastha's history takes a pivotal turn in the pages of the Mahabharata as Krishna proposes a peace settlement, offering the Pandavas just 5 villages, namely Indraprastha, Swarnaprastha, which is known as Sonipat in today's time, Panduprastha, which is known as Panipat in today's time, Vyagraprastha, which is known as Bagpat in today's time, Tilaprastha, which is known as Tilpat in today's time. But Duryodhan's stubborn refusal to cede even a needle's point of land sets the stage for the epic conflict that would engulf the land in war. And so, the stage was set for the Great War, the clash between the Pandavas and the Kauravas, whose struggles would echo through the ages. Centuries later, during the modern era, Indraprastha was known as Indapatta in Buddhist scriptures, adding another layer to its rich history. Purana Kila, with its ancient walls and ruins, stands as a silent witness to the glory of Indraprastha, a testament to its enduring legacy. Indraprastha's significance transcends the pages of the Mahabharata, finding mention in Pali language Buddhist texts and possibly even reaching the ears of the Greco-Roman world. Indraprastha, a city shrouded in myth and legend, continues to captivate the imagination of historians and enthusiasts alike, its stories echoing through the corridors of time. We hope you all liked this first episode of Historical Monuments of Delhi. Stay tuned for the next episode. Your friend Ravindra Kumar Gupta, RKG.